In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to change system font size on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To change system font size, right click on Start menu, click on Settings, left pane, click on Accessibility. Here you will find the first option, text size. Click on text size and you will find here a text size bar. Drag the text size pointer, drag it to right to increase the font size and then click on apply. Font size of my Windows 11 system has been increased. To reduce the font size, again drag the text size bar to left and then click on apply. The system font size has been reduced. This is the easiest way to change font size in Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.